How to fix Ticketmaster app login not working issue. So if the Ticketmaster app's login is not basically working over here, there are a couple of things to check. First of all, make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is actually working just fine, right? So once you've made sure of that, what you want to do is simply make sure to long press the Ticketmaster app icon, tap the I button, then go to storage, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. If the Ticketmaster app has an update, make sure to also update it to the latest version. Now once you've done that, all you have to do is simply launch the Ticketmaster application, and once you see this, you will find this type of interface. Now you can tap on the next option, and sign in or create account. Then all you have to do here is just simply make sure to enter your login details properly. Sometimes it could be that you might have forgotten your password, so you can just tap on the forgot password option over here, then just click on the forgotten password and choose to reset it if that's the case. But to give you an idea, this is how you can fix the Ticketmaster app not logging working. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.